Hey guys, Kalila here, or Callie. Welcome to day 8 of me knitting on this kintra sweater. It is currently 3:43 and I have not started knitting yet. And listen, I was just chilling, okay? I went to bed at 3 a.m. and I was just giving my hands time to rest. I knitted a whole lot yesterday and they were fatigued, okay? They didn't hurt or anything. My hands never hurt. My hands get tired, like I worked out too much, but they never hurt or anything. They feel really good. And I'm glad I'm just working with one color now because I finished the color work section, as you know. Ooh, look at this. I said it on my TikTok, but I was like, this looks like a vegetable garden. Like, we got the carrots, we got the beets, you know, we got the eggplant and whatever other vegetables, purple, and whatever vegetables, white, cauliflower, I guess, I don't know. But it just gives garden vibes to me, especially with the green variegation. I cannot wait to see more of the green come out. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so amazing. All right, anyway, I'm gonna start knitting a little bit. I have to do the raglan first and then the short rows and then split for the sleeves. But I also have to edit my day 1 of going to the fiber fair. And I want to post it by tonight, but I want to knit and stuff first. So yeah, I'm going to do that first. I am still tired from yesterday because I still wake up early regardless. I woke up at 8 something, 7 something first, and then 8 something. And then I stayed in bed until almost 12, just chilling on my phone. But I think I went back to sleep and then woke up at 10 and then stayed up in bed until 12. But I was in and out of sleep in the morning because my body is so used to waking up early. It's like, what are you doing? Like, anyway, let's knit. Guys, it is 6:07 p.m. Now I'm finally sitting down to knit. Oh gosh. Okay. So I'm about to do the raglan, I think. Yeah, is this the raglan section? Size 5 only. Oh, okay. Nice. This is very quick and easy. What the heck? Alrighty, well, let's get started on this, and I should be able to get through it fairly quickly, and then get to the short rows. The short rows will probably take more time because there are more rows to get through, but I'm just excited for this because I'm excited to continue using the main color. Oh my gosh, yes, like, no more color work. I loved doing it, but I love my English knitting, and my English knitting makes me feel great, okay? Continental is easy for me now. The knitting, I've never continental purled, but it always feels great to just work in one color. So let's get started. Hey guys, so I'm on the short rows part right now, and I'm very excited that the green is poking through. I can't wait to see more of it, like it looking like this right here. But yeah, for now, I'm gonna focus on the short rows. I need to concentrate, okay? Because I cannot mess up short rows. I will get flustered. But yeah, so I'm gonna stay up a little bit, finish those, and split for the sleeves, and then do a little bit of the body because that will be exciting. So let's get some more progress. I'm so tired. guys, I am so tired. It's currently 1:22 a.m. which, you know, it's not as late as I've been going to bed. Like for the Korshaven challenge, okay? Korshaven. And I cannot. I have 3 more rounds of German short rows left. 3. Okay, 3. I feel like they just keep getting longer. And look, I mean, they are. Well, yes, they are. But literally, as I'm getting more sleepy, they feel like forever. And I'm just like, I can't. I'm going to sleep. I'm going to bed. Okay. And, well, let me show you the progress that I got. If I can set my camera down properly. Okay. Let's see. Where does the short rows start? Okay. So, here we are with the short rows. I just have 3 more rounds, and then I'll be splitting for the sleeves and the body. So, you know, good progress. I'm not staying up to complete the last 3. The light just totally changed, but whatever. Yeah, I'm not staying up to complete the last 3. I cannot. I will not. I will just complete it in the morning. Close enough to my goal, you know? Close enough. Anyway, that's all that I have for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And what are you knitting on while you're watching this? And don't worry about me going to bed late so often. It's fun to knit until I literally go to sleep, okay? I love that. So I'm happy with the progress that I have. Can't wait for tomorrow. Let me know what you're working on, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.